Time series forecasting is broken. Most models map history to target. But for long horizons, this unidirectional approach fails. Error accumulation and trend drift destroy accuracy. You're extrapolating blindly. Here's the fix. Your training data contains a hidden chain: history, target, and post-target continuation. The continuation reveals how trajectories evolve after the target. We can't see this at inference, but we can distill its structural patterns. Introducing KUP-BI, Knowledge Utilization Paradigm with Bidirectional Inspiration. It augments any backbone with a continuation-style auxiliary stream. No architecture changes required. KUP-BI builds a retrieval library from training chains. It computes a ratio transformation between history and post-target continuation. This ratio captures relative dynamics, amplitude rescaling, seasonal shifts, rather than raw residuals. At inference, the model retrieves similar histories channel-wise and aggregates their ratio transformations via softmax weighting. This creates a proxy for post-target evolution. This auxiliary signal is fused with backbone features using a lightweight gating module. The gate balances the historical stream and the continuation proxy, injecting a structured inductive bias with negligible overhead. KUP-BI consistently improves SOTA models like PatchTST, DLinear, and TimesNet across ETT, ILI, and Exchange datasets. The ratio-based construction outperforms residual and prediction-based alternatives. It's a robust plug-and-play enhancement for stable long-horizon forecasting. This is a shift from extrapolation to knowledge utilization. Check the paper for the full math. Link in description.